All right, hey Jasmine, what are we about to do?
Break some eggs in the microwave.
Awesome, let's do it. All right, this is our setup. I'm trying to put it on a plate in a microwave-safe bowl. That way, it doesn't make that big of a mess, but we get all the action that we would normally get without having it. All right, let's see how this works. We'll set this motherfucker to 3 minutes. I think I was scared of shit out of me, probably.
I know, right?
Can you get me a chair? We got people over here trying to watch. They're probably gonna pop really loud and shit. This is scaring me. Right. Two minutes and 14 seconds left. It's almost been in there for a minute now. I might want to back away because I might jump back and scare myself and then your cake go all over me. Alright, it's been about a minute and 5 seconds. I'm going to be disappointed if this don't work. Oh, I heard something. I think it cracked. Whoa! Oh, I hear it! Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, God! That was so cool! That was so fucking... Oh, shit! Oh, it smells like popcorn. I was in there for exactly a minute and 31 seconds. So that's how long it takes to cook an egg in the microwave.
But don't eat it.
I wouldn't suggest eating it, but it actually looks cooked. This egg is cooked. Oh my God! I think I found a new way to make boiled eggs without having to boil it.
I know, right?
The fucking, oh my God. This is the aftermath. This did scare the shit out of me. I think I got it though, like when it actually exploded. I'm gonna slow that down. Oh shit, that was so cool.
Play like 3-time rerun on YouTube.
I know what you're talking in the slow motion.
Yeah,
like.
slow motion, like.